The 5 pillars is a lifestyle. It's a philosophical approach to a lifelong relationship with exercise. And whether you're a former Olympian or you're just getting started in an adult men's or women's basketball league, we all need a foundation to set up our training on. And just showing up is terrific, but it'll only get you so far in terms of satisfaction, skill level, and it leaves you more or less vulnerable to the risks that go along with that sport or that lifestyle or that hobby. So what the 5 pillars do is break it down into really simple exercise science principles in a manageable approach in terms of time, intensity, and effort. And how do you plug these things in to a busy life, a busy world, a world where children and your job and your desire to just play and not do the supportive stuff are always vying at your attention. So it breaks it down into simple terms, it's understandable terms, the success is clearly evident, and it gives people just that, a foundation of which to set up their exercise program. And it really comes out of the philosophy of my company, Monumental Results, Inc., which is small, consistent change over a significant period of time leads to monumental results. I witnessed that when I was 21 years old in a college geology class, the geology of natural disasters, and the idea of how things change over time. And much like Stephen Covey, in terms of his slow, gradual approach, I didn't have that growing up. You know, my life was good but chaotic, mostly for my own doing. And as I've gotten older, was exposed to those geological principles, was exposed to good coaches in my advanced athletic career, I realized that it's that progressive stuff over time that really yields those results. And so out of that philosophy in the preparation for the book about helping the aging athlete came what started out as 15 pillars, came these 5 rocks, these 5 structures that take it to the bank. It's this simple. Introduce these things systematically over time, and you've got something you can take the thinking out of it, and you can just rely on the structure of those pillars. You don't have to rethink it on a daily basis.